But you know what? It's Drinkmas. We making drinks. We having fun. It's lit.
Santa baby, please hurry, hurry, hurry.
Jolly old saint.
Santa baby, he takes care of my worries.
Jolly old.
Santa baby, please hurry, don't let you.
Okay, so first thing you're gonna need is a glass, of course. You can use any glass. I'm choosing to use a mason jar glass just because I feel like Dark and Stormy's look really, really cute in little tiny, you know, like glasses with character or whatever. So you're gonna need that. The next thing you're gonna need is some black rum. Do not try to make this drink with white rum. I promise you it's not gonna taste good at all. I would recommend using Gosling rum instead of Bacardi black rum, but I couldn't find it last minute, so we're gonna have to make it work with Bacardi rum. Lime juice, of course, fresh squeeze is always better, but in the interest of time and me pulling things together last minute as usual, we're going to use bottled lime juice. Tastes just the same, whatever. Next thing you're gonna need is some ginger beer. Trini, I know you probably can make this from scratch. I'm ashamed, I'm a Trini, can't make it from scratch yet, but I promise I'm gonna learn, and when I do know how to make ginger beer from scratch, we will be making this Dark and Stormy all over again with ginger beer that's fresh. You're also going to need a bar spoon. Again, you know, I got my little fancy bar kit, but if you don't have a bar spoon, please, you know, just use any spoon or whatever you have around your house, anything that you can mix with, but make sure it's clean. And then lastly, you're going to need some good old ice. That's it. That's all we need to make this drink. It's going to be super easy. This is probably the easiest drink that I'm ever going to show y'all how to make. Okay, jumping right in, you're going to get some ice and you're going to fill your mason jar until almost very, very top. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our Bacardi black rum. If you have Gosling, that's the better option, of course. And you're going to take the 2-ounce side of your jigger. And what you're going to do is you're going to see me fill this up twice to equal out to 4 ounces because we don't make weak drinks over here. And then you're going to just pour that right into your glass. Next, you're gonna grab that ginger beer. I'm using Solo, but you can use any brand that you like. And you're gonna use the 2-ounce side of your jigger again. And you're gonna see me fill that up twice to equal 4 ounces. And we're gonna pour it in. Next, we got the bottled lime juice because it works the same. And you're gonna just fill that up 3/4 of the way, so just give it a couple of squirts until it's almost at the brim of the glass, but not quite, and go ahead and pour that in. And now I'm adding more ginger beer because I wanted it to be full to the brim, and please do not be like me and add more alcohol because this is now 6 ounces. Ridiculous. Next, you're going to take your bar spoon and you are going to give it a good mix just to mix up all the flavors. Okay, now we have our Dark and Stormy, and it's the moment of truth. Let's see how this tastes.